everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create watch list on investing.com. So to get started, let's open a browser. For now I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. You can use any of the browser. When you open your Microsoft Edge browser, you can see this kind of interface. Here search for investing.com and sign in with your investing.com account. And here you can see many options like my watch list, crypto news, many more. Now go for my watch list. Here you can see many options plus icon. In order to create a new portfolio, to create new watch list, tap on it and here give a name of watch list. Let me name it Tesla. You can name it as you required, as you like. And then click on create button that is located on right side. So here you can see your watch list is ready. Now add symbol, let's search Tesla. And click on it. So it is added to your watch list Tesla. So in this way you can create watch list on investing.com. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.